It's morning at the castle, so it's kind of quiet. But beyond these stone walls is an enchanted place. It's called Fantasyland. Come on, I'll show you around. This is the carousel. There are 72 horses, and they're all handcrafted too. Nearby is Mr. Toad's Wild Ride. It's based on the book The Wind in the Willows. You get to drive the car and follow along on Mr. Toad's adventures. La la la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Just next door is Peter Pan's flight. The Imagineers have recreated the locations from the Disney movie, Peter Pan. This time you even get to ride on board a real flying ship. You follow Peter Pan from the children's bedroom, fly through the open window, and find yourself floating above the rooftops of London. Next you're off to a floating island surrounded by 1,000,000 stars. You even get to escape from mean old Captain Hook. Between Peter Pan and Mr. Toad's is the Mad Hatter. You can try on all sorts of really neat hats. Magic Shop is another fun place to explore. It's right by the Sleeping Beauty Castle, which overlooks Fantasyland. It's the home of the Candy Castle Shop. Also in the castle is Hbvideos Arts and Crafts Shop. You can watch the artists make all kinds of things. After walking through the Sleeping Beauty exhibits, you can look inside the Tinkerbell toy shop. I like it there. Or walk just around the corner and you'll find Snow White's adventures. You'll be drawn into a make-believe world when you ride in one of the dwarf's mining trains. You even go tour the witch's cottage and the witch herself. But it's okay, because you'll escape to a happy ending. From the Fantasyland Theater, where Disney cartoons are shown, you can go to the Dumbo ride. There are 10 elephants, and any one of them will fly you around so you can see Fantasyland from a whole new angle. Another ride that lets you see a lot is the Fantasyland Skyway. It's kind of like a bridge in the air that goes to and from Tomorrowland. The galley is not only a real neat replica of the pirate ship, it's a favorite meeting place for Captain Hook and his crew. There are lots of places to explore, both at Skull Rock and the ship. Oh yeah, it's a restaurant too. Across from the ship are the teacups. It's a swirling ride that's controlled by the guest in each cup. So hang on. Our next stop is Storybook Land. You enter a miniature world after passing through the mouth of Monster the Whale. Casey Jr. Train is another way to see the storybook settings, like Toad Hall, with its countless chimneys and only one fireplace. This is Pinocchio's village, where Geppetto's wish was answered and a wooden puppet became a real live boy. Cinderella's castle sits high above the next town. Isn't it pretty? in this direction too, before it travels back toward the station. Alice in Wonderland is like a trip through the looking glass aboard a colorful caterpillar. You get to Alice's adventures as you travel from place to place. Then you slide down a path made by huge vines. Just across the way is one of Disneyland's landmarks, the Matterhorn. These bobsleds whisk us up and down and into the mountain, complete with a snow monster that roams inside the dark ice caves. It's a Small World. Inside are more than 300 animatronic dolls just waiting for you. Together they span the whole world with music and song. I think it's true. Fantasyland really is an enchanted place.